What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for today's episode, I'm going to share with you my top 10 favorite Adidas sneakers that I have in my collection so far as of September or August 2020. We're going to do this video kasi I'm actually going to undergo like a major change in my life and I need to let go of a bunch of sneakers. So in the process of pruning the shoes, in the process of picking which shoes I want to sell, I ended up figuring out and finding out what are my actual, real, genuine favorite shoes that I'd love to wear moving forward. So if that interests you, let's go. Quick wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing the One Piece G-Shock. So this is a limited edition that I got straight from Japan. If you guys want to know more about this watch, please do check out my dedicated watch YouTube channel. So I put up a second channel which is all about watches, and I have the unboxing and the review of this watch right now up on that vlog. So the link to this particular video and my watch channel can be found down below. Give that channel a subscribe. I'm about to do a bunch of giveaways specifically on that channel. Now this isn't in any particular order, so it's just me sharing with you guys 10 shoes, Adidas sneakers that I probably have no plans of selling anytime soon, because again, like what I mentioned in the intro, I went through a lot of my sneakers and I want to sell a lot, but there are some that I just couldn't bring myself to sell, and this is one of them. This is probably going to be the only Yeezy that will be left in my collection. This is the Yeezy 700 V2 Static, and to this day, it is my favorite Yeezy after the Oxford Tans, which I eventually sold anyway. So yeah. So this I think is really my favorite. I picked this one in Japan. So if you guys haven't seen my Japan vlogs yet, I'll link them down below as well. You can watch me shop in Osaka. You can watch me shop in Tokyo, Harajuku, and all of that great stuff over there, Shibuya. This one, I just love it because of the design. It's subtle, it's sleek, it's futuristic. I love the vibe, I love the chunkiness, and it's just an all-around amazing shoe. Even the resale value of this is actually keeping strong. If you take a look at StockX, sells anywhere from $600 to $800. So that's 30 to 40,000 pesos. So this one, very happy to have it. Will probably stay in the collection for the foreseeable future. How about you guys? What are the Yeezys that you think you will not sell anytime soon? Let me know in the comment section. Would love to hear from you. Now, number 9, 8, and 7 are all related because they are a collaboration between one of my favorite brands and Adidas, and that is Human Made. So let's go through the sneakers that I have over here. So first up, we have this Human Made Stan Smith collaboration. You have Human Made here on the lateral side, Human Made at the back of the heel, that classic white and green with that pop of red. Like what I mentioned in the vlog where I talked about the shoe, I said that I love the heart execution of this one because yung Comme des Garçons or yung CDG just shouts that you're rich, but this one is more of I'm a chill kind of guy. So this one's my favorite Stan Smith right now. Next up is the Adidas Human Made Rivalry Low. This gives a lot of Bapesta vibes, which is something that, of course, the guy behind Human Made, Nigo, who founded Bape, when he did his collaboration with Kanye West. So you have the same brown and cream color, except this one has shades of pink instead of red. This one also is surprisingly comfortable. I mean, I've broken it in. The initial review I said was that the midsole is kind of hard, but after, you know, pounding it hard in the pavement for a couple of days, the foam actually softens up. It becomes much more comfortable than the initial time you put it on your feet. And my favorite Human Made collaboration and my favorite Adidas Superstar as well is this one. This is the Human Made Adidas Superstar. So it's very straightforward, very simple, white upper, slogan of Human Made along the side, cream off-white color for the midsole and the shell toe, and then that really nice Human Made logo here at the back of the heel. This one, I really love the shoe. I've been wearing it a lot, and yeah, it's really one of my favorites. Number 6 are Ultra Boosts in different variations. Of course, this one is still staying strong in my collection. This is the Ultra Boost Klima or Klima that I brought with me to New Zealand when I went on a vacation with my wife. Still arguably one of the very best Ultra Boosts in my opinion. Apart from the memories, I just love the color, I just love the comfort. Ventilation is insane because of the Klima technology of the PrimeNet upper. We also have, of course, my favorite Ultra Boost 20, which is the SS collaboration, International Space Station. And this one is the more basic model, black with that, I don't know how you call that, iridescent color of the 3 stripes. And then just a plain white Boost midsole. Love the simple take on this Ultra Boost. And of course, we have the Adidas Ultra Boost. I'm not sure if this is the 1.0 or 2.0, but yeah. So this one is the most, I think, one of the more comfortable takes on the UB, the 1.0 to the 4.0. Performance is the 19 and the 20. The chill is the Klima. So this is number 796. Now, number 5 is also an Ultra Boost, but I wanted to separate it because it is a special collaboration. And this one has been in my collection for the longest time now. So this is the Y3 Ultra Boost Kozaro High. And I love this one because this is actually an Ultra Boost that I used to wear often in the office because it was all black. It had some sort of like shiny overlay for the toe cap, and it just looked like a great all-around shoe. In fact, I've given several talks on stage wearing this shoe because of the overall vibe that it brought to the table. So this one, I definitely have no plans of selling anytime soon, and I will continue to beat this up relentlessly through the next few years in my career. By the way, speaking of Ultra Boosts, a lot of Adidas sneakers are on 50% sale right now on the Adidas Philippines website. If you guys want to buy an Ultra Boost 19 or 20 for 4,500 pesos, that's half the price, or a lot of other shoes, check out the article that I've linked down below in the description box. It's a list of Adidas sneakers that I recommend that you check out on the ongoing Adidas sale Philippines on their website. So check that out. Number 4 is for 4D, and this is the only 4D sneaker that I am loving so far, which is the Adidas 4D Run 1.0. And I did a review of the Adidas Ultra 4D, an updated review on it. I mentioned about how it felt after breaking it in. But ultimately, if I compare both, I still gravitate towards this one in terms of overall like comfort and feel. And even the look. For some reason, I'm kind of digging the style of the upper. Again, to each his own. So this one is the only 4D and definitely deserves a spot in this list. Number 3 is another sneaker that's more on the emotional side more than it is like performance, but it is one of the most comfortable sneakers ever. So this is the Adidas I-5923, and this one is special to me because it was a gift from the lovely wife. This is one of the very first sneakers that she gave to me as a gift, and syempre, because of that, I will forever treasure it and keep it in my collection. It's also super comfy. I mean, the NMD and a lot of the other shoes with Boost, like the new ZX, gets a lot of hype and buzz, but man, sometimes this one is still one of the most comfy shoes that you can get, and they're usually on 50% off. Again, check them out on the Adidas Philippines website. The next sneaker is something more current, one of the more recent sneakers that I reviewed, which is the ZX 2K Boost. So this one, you have that ZX flavor of the retro running shoes with the color, and then you have that Boost midsole. In my review of this, which you can also find linked down below, I felt that it was one of the bounciest Adidas sneakers I've tried. The spring feel is definitely there, and it's a unique take and a different take on Boost, which I appreciate a lot. So this one comes in different colorways already. You might also want to check it out on the Adidas Philippines website. And the last sneaker on this list, and definitely not the least, is the sneaker that really kickstarted this channel. Because if you take a look back at my YouTube channel, one of my most popular videos when I was starting out was my review of the Adidas Prophere. And you would think that after like 2 to 3 years, I would have sold all of my Propheres, but that's not the case. I still have my favorite Adidas Prophere in my collection, which is their Desert Camo Prophere. And I actually still wear it. It's still kind of getting beaten up every now and then, mainly because it just looks so kick-ass. I mean, it's not every day that you get to see a shoe like this. It's not every day that you see people wearing Desert Camo chunky shoes with spikes on them. And I've worn this on stage several times. Not the most comfortable shoe, believe me when I say that, but it's definitely standout, unique, and different. A very far cry from what you would usually see today. So this one, man, brings a lot of memories about this YouTube channel, the Adidas Prophere. So those are just some of my favorite Adidas sneakers to date. A lot of the other ones that I didn't mention will most likely go to my online sale, which I'm working on. Watch out for the announcement if you're size 12 to 13 or 11. And if you want to buy some of my sneakers from my shoes collection, I will be posting them very soon, the details on how you can buy them. By the way, guys, again, If you want to check out the Adidas sneakers on sale, our recommendations can be found down below. And lastly, do check out my watch vlog. This one is really nice. The one-piece G-Shock. The details of this watch can be found down below. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.